Today, I've got something really special for you audiophiles and design lovers out there. This is Ruark Audio R2 Mk4 review, a modern tabletop music system that blends timeless elegance with cutting-edge features, and trust me, this little box has a lot to offer. Technology and features. The Ruark R2 Mk4 is packed with modern features, while maintaining the charm of a traditional tabletop radio. Here are the highlights. Advanced streaming support. The R2 Mk4 supports Spotify Connect, Amazon Music, and Deezer natively, making it easy to stream music without needing to pair a device every time. You can also stream via Bluetooth 5.0, which offers low-latency audio and greater range. Smart Radio Tuner. The system comes equipped with smart radio technology that supports FM, DAB, DAB+, and Internet radio. This ensures you're always connected to your favorite stations, whether local or global. USB-C playback and charging. A USB-C port allows for direct playback of music files from flash drives, while also serving as a charging point for your smartphone or tablet, ideal for bedside or office use. UNDOK app control. Ruark's R2 Mk4 is compatible with the UNDOK app, which enables intuitive remote control from your phone. Users can browse radio stations, change sources, and control playback seamlessly. Custom audio components. With a Class AB amplifier and custom neodymium NS Plus drivers, the Mk4 delivers rich, balanced sound with impressive clarity and controlled bass, rare in compact systems. Performance. The sound performance of the R2 Mk4 is where it truly shines. Here's a breakdown. Audio quality. Bass. Surprisingly full for a compact device, the custom drivers provide low-end warmth without overpowering. Mid-range. Crystal clear vocals and instrumentation stand out, especially in acoustic and classical tracks. Treble. High frequencies are crisp but never harsh, thanks to refined tuning and driver design. Volume. Capable of filling a medium-sized room with distortion-free sound even at higher volumes. Streaming and connectivity. The system quickly connects to Wi-Fi, and streaming is seamless, whether through Spotify Connect or Bluetooth. The USB-C option is a welcome feature for offline playback. Design. Ruark is known for blending traditional aesthetics with modern elegance, and the R2 Mk4 is no exception. Natural wood finish. The cabinet is available in light cream lacquer or walnut veneer, both giving a minimalist Scandinavian feel that fits a wide range of interiors. Full color display. A beautiful 2.5-inch TFT color screen provides album artwork, station information, and intuitive navigation with a rotating dial interface, rotary control dial. The signature Ruark Roto dial on the top panel offers tactile control that is both nostalgic and modern. Build. Solidly constructed, the unit feels premium and robust, clearly designed with longevity in mind. Weight and portability. Weight 2.9 kg. Portability. While not a portable Bluetooth speaker, its compact footprint makes it easy to relocate within the home. Use cases. Ideal for bedrooms, kitchens, offices, and small living rooms. Price. MSRP. House $699, $479, $549. While not cheap, the R2 Mk4 offers exceptional value when you consider the sound quality, materials, and multi-source functionality. It competes favorably with similarly priced systems from Tivoli Audio and Bose, often outperforming them in design and sonic accuracy. Pros. Clear sound, sleek wood design, radio plus streaming support, solid build, quality controls. Cons. Not portable, no Apple Music.